Hello, and welcome to Employee Attendance Management, alias EAM video tutorials. This tutorial describes how presence status works in the EAM service app. Using a manager or the global administrator user account, select Employees on the left menu bar. Then select the Presence Status feature option. Note: when logged in as the global administrator, all departments' respective active employees are displayed as per their presence status. When logged in as a manager, for their respective department or departments, only their employees' presence status are visible in this view. The fields indicate the employee's first name, their last name, their respective department, their presence status, whether in or out. The last clocked field indicates the last time the employee either clocked in or out, as per their presence status field value. The employee's presence status list is updated when an employee clocks in or out. For example, in the shop floor clock in and out platform view, when an employee scans their barcode ID card for a clock in, the manager's view will be updated to show that employee is in and their clocked in time. Likewise, when they clock out, it will also indicate the employee is out and their clocked out time. You can also search the list, such as by the employee's name, the presence status, etc. And that's it for this tutorial. Goodbye for now.